Hello everyone, and today we'll be learning in the next lesson, which is lesson 13. Can't believe we're 13 lessons in, and I don't have any plans to stop until I exhaust all the features of C# and really just don't want to do it anymore, but that's going to be a long time. But today we're going to be doing some print features, and some print features, you could do a page setup dialog, you could do a print dialog, a print document, a print preview, and a preview dialog. So what we're going to do is do a print document. Oh, we have to add this. A print dialog and a print preview dialog. So what we're going to do too is we're going to add a panel. And we are going to do that, and then we're going to do a paint, and we'll go more in depth with this a little later. In a whole nother video, we're going to try and learn all about the paint feature and how you can paint, draw things on it. But for right now, we're just gonna do some stuff. So we're just gonna do graphics. .graph equals new or equals e.graphics, and now we could do graph.draw rectangle, pens.black, and new rectangle. It would be 50 50 50 50. We render this to the screen. Oh, this does not get parentheses, and we got a rectangle. We just got a single rectangle. So now what we're gonna do is something way cooler. So we're gonna do a dialog. So what we can do is we could always add a button and there's no and to open up the printer dialog button. So if we stretch this out, we name it print. Then we can go into it's an event, and we can do print dialog.show dialog. So it'll show up with a show dialog box. And if we run it, and I just love that. I love that square. When we hit print, the print comes up. And everything. For my sake, I'm not going to print anything because there's no need to. But next, what we can do is we can do a print preview. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to do a print dialog, and we're going to go to its events. Well, we're not going to go to print dialog. We're going to go to print document and say print page, and then make an event out of that. With that, we are going to do some other stuff. So with this, we are going to make what's called a bitmap. So we're going to call bitmap image equals new bitmap. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make the image up here globally, and then we're going to initialize it in the graphics portion. So what we're going to do is we're going to do image.bitmap, and then this dot graphics dot draw image. So what we would do is we would get the size. So we would do this dot size dot width, and then we would do this dot size dot height, and then we would just pass in the graph, and that would be our image. So then it would grab that screen. first of all, we can draw that rectangle. And then what we can do is graphics, print preview equals new graphics image. And then we would do graphics dot from, or we wouldn't do new at all. We would do equals graphics, or not graph, graphics dot from image show, or you would do print preview dialog 1.show dialog. And with that, we can then what we need to do is in the print preview dialog in its settings, we want to say its document is print document 1. So if we save this and we load this, nothing showed up. Why did that not do that? Hold on. Oh, I know why it didn't work. So if we go to print page and we do e.draw image, we do graphics e equals new equals e dot graphics, or hold on, print e dot graphics, and with that we're going to do print e dot draw image, and we're going to just pass it the image. Oh, we have to pass it a point too, so we could just do it at new point 0, 0. And with that, so I understand, so it didn't work again. So with this, I know what's wrong. So we in here, we never did message, we didn't do print preview dot copy from screen, which then we would do new point 0, 0, and then we would do new point, well, let's say 300 by 300, and then we would do the upper, then we would do the region size, so we would then do new size equals 100 by 100, and then we save it. So with that, we can then, there we go. We have one copied from the image right there. So with that, we could totally make it bigger. What we could do is do 1,000 by 1,000. And much bigger. See, we got the side of the thing. We could totally locate it way more, but that's just a print preview section. So that is the print preview, and then we can do a print dialog, and yeah. And with that, that's really how you print. You could set it up with buttons and make your own custom printing machine, which is fantastic if you did. But with this, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you liked, and I hope you come back for the next video, and I really enjoy. Have a great day, guys.